Which should you launch first? A signature flagship course or a mini course? If you want to distinguish the difference between the two and decide strategically on what is more profitable for you, then watch this video until the end. Hi friends, I'm Myrra Kate. I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, online course creator, and strategist and author, helping women coaches and entrepreneurs multiply their income and impact by turning their God-given expertise and skills into profitable and transformational online courses. So, thank you so much for being here. And if you would like to learn more about course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, faith-based personal development, then make sure to subscribe below and hit the notification bell as well so you won't miss out on our new videos. So you might be wondering what type of online course you should create and launch first. So now let's talk about the difference between a signature course and a mini course. A mini course is a short online course that focuses more on information and getting the students quick results. So it usually only has around 45 to 90 minutes of content. This is the kind of course that your customers or students can take in a shorter time frame and get a specific task done more quickly. So your goal here as a course creator is to answer your students' top 3 to 5 questions about a specific topic or about a problem that they want to solve so that they can implement whatever they learned in the mini course quickly. The benefits of creating a mini course include: 1. It's easy to create a mini course today as it only requires a shorter or less number of lessons. 2. If you're new to course creation, creating mini courses can help you validate course topics your audience likes and needs. Once you do so, you can then go more deeply on those course topics in your signature flagship course. 3. Mini courses are easy to digest for your students because they usually have shorter and more straightforward lessons. On the other hand, a signature course is more focused on transformation and implementation rather than just information. So we're talking about the big promises and outcomes for your students here. This is usually a flagship course that contains step-by-step and in-depth lessons where you take them through actionable exercises and activities that they need to take and implement to get the results that they want. And that usually takes time. So because a signature course has longer or more learning content inside the portal, it usually takes a few weeks to complete it. An example is when some coaches go through 4 weeks or 8 weeks of intensive courses or coaching programs with a course aspect into it, where they go through a step-by-step framework with their students about something that they're expert in. So why should you create signature courses then? 1. A signature course establishes your authority in a niche and helps you become known as an authority figure or expert in that topic or niche. 2. A signature course is a sustainable digital product or asset that you have in your business that you can launch repeatedly over the course of years. Meaning, you don't always have to create new content for new courses so that you can have something to sell or launch. And courses take time to create. And so, if you're always worried about creating new courses every single time, then it can eventually lead to burnout. 3. Compared to a mini course, a signature course means that you have less online courses to manage and set up. And 4, you don't have to sell a lot for you to achieve your bigger income goals. So an example of this is if you want to make $5,000 per month, then if your signature course is sold at around $1,000, then you only need to get 5 sales per month. So friend, is this video helping you so far? If so, then don't forget to hit like below, and also let me know in the comments, are you leaning towards creating and launching a signature course or a mini course? Comment below. So now let's talk about the difference between a signature course and a mini course when it comes to pricing. I want to point out though that these are not necessarily rules for you to follow, but more rough estimates to help you and give you ideas when it comes to deciding between a signature course or a mini course. So when it comes to pricing, a mini course can range around $0 to $100. So they're usually more affordable for your students to buy. This is why some coaches or entrepreneurs actually use mini courses as lead magnets or low ticket offers so that they can get the right people in their radar first before they upsell to signature courses that are more in-depth and usually costs more than mini courses. So when it comes to signature courses, I do want to point out though that this is usually not more about the price, but more about what your flagship course is. Flagship course meaning you want to be known for that course. So for example, I do know someone whose course is relatively in a small niche and she has priced that course for around $97. And because it is her flagship product, meaning it's something that she wants to be known for, then she considered that course as her signature course, and she usually relaunches that. And it didn't matter if that course is just $97. But then, because a signature course is usually your flagship product or something that you want to be known for in your industry, then usually you add a lot of content into it and you add a lot of features such as coaching, exclusive access to you as the expert, additional support, community, etc. So because of that, it is usually priced more mid to high ticket. So a signature course really doesn't always have to be $1,000 up, but to give you an idea, a mid-ticket course or a product usually costs around $97 to $997, while high-ticket courses can cost around $997 up. So how do you know which one is more profitable and worthwhile for you to create and launch at this point? Well, see if any of the following fits you. If you want something sustainable that you are happy to do live launches over and over again or otherwise create an evergreen funnel with. If you want to focus on quality or quantity when it comes to your digital products. If you want less courses to manage and you don't have much time to keep creating new content for new courses, but you're also willing to shell out time in the beginning to create your signature course because you know that once that is done, then you only need to update it from time to time, and you want to be known as an expert or authority figure for one thing, then creating a signature course might be better for you. However, if you want something that can easily be created fast or in a short amount of time, say 1 week or 1 weekend, and you're just starting to build your audience and you want to validate which topics they want to learn from you, you want to build something that's easy to digest, you don't have much time to create many and longer lessons and content for the course, you are not yet comfortable with selling courses in a higher pricing, or you already have a signature course built and you just want to have side offers that you can sell in between launches or you can use as bonuses for future programs, then it might be best for you to consider creating mini courses at this point. Whatever type of course you decide to go through with, I think what's really important is that you start to create your course now. Courses are a great way for you to gain more of your time back, build a passive income stream, and multiply your impact. And so if you would like to learn how to turn your God-given expertise, skills, and gifts into online courses and make 5 figures just like my client did, then make sure to go to myrrakate.com/case study to download and get access to my free Road to Your Course Success guide. I will also link that in the description box below. Friend, I hope this video helped you. If you found value in this, again, please click like below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, watch this video here as well if you'd like to learn more about creating online courses so you can start stewarding your God-given gifts. As always, my friend, keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.